In this video, I'll show you how to make text appear at a specific time in your Canva video. Let's start. Open Canva and create a new project. For this example, I have text inside a speech bubble that I want to appear later in the video. Select the text and hold the Shift key to select any related elements, like the speech bubble. Right-click and choose Show Element Timing from the menu. A purple layer will appear at the bottom of the screen. This is your timeline control. Hover over the edge of the purple layer. Click and drag to shorten its length. Adjust it to start at the point where you want the speech bubble and text to appear. Preview the video. The text and speech bubble will now appear only during the adjusted time frame. You can also add animations to the text if needed. And that's it. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.